Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problems on class 10th NCERT syllabus and the lesson name is Statistics. Exercise 13.1 second question. Consider the following distribution of the daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. In this question, they have given the data. Look at this. They have given two tables, okay? And they told us to find out the mean. Let us find out the mean by direct method, okay? Here, let me write the formula to find out the mean by direct method. Mean by direct method. Mean is equal to sum of Fi xi divided by sum of Fi. This is the formula to find out the mean by direct method. Look at this. Here Fi, it is the frequency. It represents frequency. Xi, it is the midpoint of the class interval. And this symbol, for this symbol, we will say it as sum of. Sum of means we have to do the addition. Okay. Now, let us do the problem. Say class interval. For this one, daily wages, they have given like this. 500 to 520. 520 to 540. 540 to 560. 560 to 580. 580 to 600. For this, we will say it as class interval. Okay. Let me write here. Class interval. And for this table, we will say it as frequency. Frequency table, and we will represent it by Fi. Okay. Now, first thing is you have to check the class interval table. Say 500 to 520. And here it has to start from the number where it is stopped. Here 520, it is ending number. And here it has to start from the same number, okay? 540, look at this, here 540, 560, and here it is starting from 560, 580, here it is starting from 580. The class interval must be like this. If it is not like this, then we have to do the little arrangement in that. That I will tell you in the next question. Now, the class interval, it is in order. But you have to check that first, okay, before solving the problem. Now, Fi, they have given. Now, look at the formula. Xi table, it is not given, isn't it? Xi means it is the midpoint of the class interval. So, let us do that first. Xi. Here, we know that Xi is the midpoint of the class interval. You can write it directly. Say 500 and 520, which is the middle number between 500 and 520. 510 is the Xi. But we have a formula to find it. So, at least let us use formula for these two, okay? For this one and this one. You can write directly. But in the exam, they will tell you to use the formula. So, let me show that the formula. Say Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. This is the formula to find out Xi. Then what is this upper class limit and lower class limit? Let me tell you that. Say in the class interval, this side, the numbers in this side, they are called as lower class limit, okay? And the numbers in this side, it is called as what? Upper class limit. So first let us find out the Xi for the class interval 500 to 520 by using the formula. Here, in this 500 is the lower class limit, 520 is the upper class limit. Let us substitute this in the formula and let us find out the Xi. So xi is equal to upper class limit is 520 plus lower class limit is 500 divided by 2. That is 1020 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, then this 0. 5 10. 5 10. This is the xi of the class interval 500 to 520. 510. In the same way you have to do by using the formula, but I will write directly, okay? Say 520 and 540. The middle number is 530. 540 and 560. Therefore, the xi is 550. 560 and 580. That is 570. 580 and 600. That is 590. Okay. Now, fi. Now look at this formula. Already we have found xi. Now look at this. Fi into xi. Fi into xi. We have to find out that. So what we will do? Let us do fi into xi. Okay. Means what? We have to multiply these two. That is 12 into 510. 14 into 530. 8 into 550. 6 into 570. 10 into 590. Okay. You can write directly. No need to write this 12 into 510. Directly write the answer. But for the better understanding, I have written here. Okay. 510 into 12 is how much? 6120. 6120. 14 into 530 is 7420. 7420. 550 into 8 is 4400. 4400. Then 6 into 570 is 3420. 10 into 590 is 5900. Now, in the formula, what we have? It is not fi(xi), only fi(xi). There is sum of fi(xi). Okay? Sum of fi(xi) means you have to add this here. This is fi(xi). But our intention is to find out sum of fi(xi). Therefore, we have to add 6120 plus 7420 plus 4400 plus 3420 plus 5900 is 27,260. Okay. Now, sum of fi, look at this formula, sum of fi is how much? This is our fi column. Then we have to do the sum of fi. That is 12 plus 14 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 is how much? 50. Okay. Now we got the answer for sum of fi and sum of fi(xi). So let us substitute these values in the formula to find out the mean. We know the formula to find out the mean. That is, mean is equal to sum of fi into xi divided by sum of fi. This is the formula to find out the mean, right? Now let us substitute. Sum of fi(xi) means how much? 27,260 divided by sum of fi is how much? 50. So let us substitute here. For this 0, 0 cancels. What is left? 2726 divided by 5. Now how to cancel this? Let us cancel this by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 remains, okay, 22. 5 4s are 20, 2 remains, 26. That is 5 5s are 25, 25, 1 remains. Therefore, point 5 2s are 20, 5 2s are 10, okay. See, suppose if you get confused to divide like this, you can divide like this also, okay. If you are able to cancel it directly, you can do that. Otherwise, let me show you how to do this. That is 545.2 is the mean. Mean is 545.2. Suppose for you it is difficult to cancel like this, you can do like this also. 2726 divided by 5. 5 5s are 25. 27 minus 25 is 2. You have to take this, bring this 2 down. 5 4s are 20. 2 remains. Then bring this 6 down. 5 5s are 25. 1 remains. Then bring this. Then put the point and take 1 0. 5 2s are 10. Okay. You can divide directly or you can use this division algorithm method. Hope you have understood. Stay connected. Keep supporting. Thank you.